Today on The Explainer, we're tackling a huge question. Will AI replace radiologists? So, is the radiologist job, well, doomed? It's a big question. Let's find out.
Okay, short answer, no. But the real story is way more interesting than a simple yes or no.
So, let's get this straight. AI in radiology is basically a tool. It handles the grind, not the big calls. It's really good at things like flagging urgent cases or spotting tiny nodules and fractures. Super helpful stuff. And this isn't some future fantasy. Radiology is actually the #1 specialty for FDA-approved AI.
You see, it's not just one AI. There's a whole toolbox for different jobs, from the ER to routine screening.
But here's the thing. Looking at pixels is just one tiny part of the job. Picture this. It's 2 in the morning. A new CT scan pops up. This is where a human is crucial. The patient's chart says dizziness, but a nurse's note says fall. The AI just can't connect those dots.
Exactly. The job isn't just spot the bleed. It's about context, risk, and deciding what happens next.
And at the end of the day, someone has to be responsible. That person is the radiologist, not the software.
So let's break it down. What is AI good at, and where does it just fail?
And these failures are a big deal. AI can just silently miss things or get confused by rare diseases.
So the job isn't going away. It's actually evolving into something even more important. They can focus on the tricky cases, talk with other doctors, and even perform complex procedures. So if you're a med student, what do you do? How do you get ready for this future?
It's all about knowing where AI messes up, getting good at communication, and basically learning to supervise it.
Okay, so let's get to the final verdict on this whole replacement question.
The real threat isn't AI. That's just clickbait. The real challenge is something else entirely.
It's radiologists who use AI replacing those who don't. That right there is the key.
So the question isn't if AI will change things. It's how we make sure it actually makes medicine better for everyone.